Good evening, everyone. Hopefully, you all are having an amazing weekend. Welcome back to another live stream. I did one last week. It went really well. We made some money on Rune and Luna trades. So I'll be reviewing all these trades, share with you where I think Bitcoin is going to go next. I think a huge move is coming in Bitcoin. If you've seen the consolidations previously, we consolidate for about 2 months, 4 weeks. You can see about nine bar, 6 to 8 weeks, and then we have those big breakouts. And I think next week, or by end of 2 weeks, we're gonna get a big breakout, and hopefully we're on the right side of the market. So don't get fooled by any spikes. There might be some spikes below. We're gonna look to buy that dip initially if it comes back to like 30k. We're definitely gonna look to buy that dip, and we're gonna see a big move. So the main thing is try and be on the right side of the market. I'll share with you our plans, which way we're looking to trade. I'll share with you a Bitcoin trade. Potentially there's a trade now in Bitcoin. There's hourly pullback in Bitcoin. You could look to long that. I'll review this one in a lot more detail. Again, I'll be live for over an hour or so. That's just a trade idea, and the reason for that is there's a gap close as well. Usually we see this gap close, and I'd expect this gap to be closed when the CME gap opens. So we'll be watching for that, guys. Make sure you watch the full live stream. I'll stay back, answer any questions, share with you altcoin trades. In the last live stream we did last week, we had a few nice altcoin trades. If you took them, especially Rune and Luna, they both hit target. We'll share some live trades as well, hopefully. High time frame, there's a big update. A big update for me is that let me just go back and quickly share this with you. Lots of coins. I can go just pick any. So XLM, this is a coin that we are watching. Lots of coins are let me find the USD chart. Lots of coins are consolidating. So by that I mean they could potentially be breaking now. At the moment they're just below resistance. Can you see that? And so many coins are at this key critical level. If we see breakouts of these coins, again, I'll review all your coins that you request as well. If we can see breakouts of these tokens, it could be an amazing next couple of weeks. So as long as Bitcoin holds above 40k and we get those nice trade setups, it should be a good next week. So give me a couple of minutes to guys to post a link in the group, and we shall get started. So I'll post on Twitter that I'm live. Anyone here that was here last week as well? Hello Veronica, how's it going? Were you here last week? Let me just post I'm live, by the way, guys. Yeah, all good, all good. Which coins are you looking to buy this week, Veronica? Potentially we break out again. I mean, the key thing is 40k. If Bitcoin stays above 40k, it should be a really good week for us. Yeah, thank you. 15 people watching. Can you guys hear me well? So comment below that you can hear me well before I start talking for over an hour. Okay, that's fine. I think you said to buy Zilliqa, if I'm not mistaken. You're looking to buy Zilliqa? Zilliqa's not looking too bad. Osama, how's it going, mate? I think you were here last week as well. Good to see you on the live stream, mate. one of the questions I asked on Twitter is bullish or bearish. Looks like more people are leaning bullish. It's about 100 people voted. I posted it on Twitter as well. I don't think as many people voted. Sorry, not Twitter, YouTube. It's a bit strange. So YouTube seems to be bearish. Oh, awesome. That's good. YouTube seems to be bearish, and Twitter seems to be bullish. It's a bit strange. Hi Tim, how's it going? See if we can get it to 50 viewers today. During bull market, we used to have 100 viewers. Luna, $100. So let's talk about Luna. I think everyone's a Luna fan, isn't it? Sorry, I've not posted a Telegram group. Let me just post a Telegram group as well. Yeah, I'm a bit busy. I've been a bit busy today. I was at Sunday, so I've been away. Went to the good gym session. Had some food with my girlfriend to cook burgers, so I'm slightly delayed. But no, let's have a good live stream. There's a football on as well. So I'll be watching the football later, but hey, I'll be live for over an hour. If it's busy, might stay for longer. I think last live stream we was live for an hour and a half. I really enjoyed last week's live stream, and yeah, if we get to 50 likes, I'll do another one next weekend. Harry, how's it going? I think you were definitely last week, Ari, so good to see you. Can I give it like? Oh, I'd like to give Ari a like. See if I can give it doesn't let me give you a like. Okay, guys, so I'll get started. It's the same plan as last week. We'll do Bitcoin first. We'll look at all your other requests, other coins, and then yeah, we'll be live for at least an hour, over an hour, and then yeah, we'll talk about Bitcoin first, talk about altcoins, we'll talk about like scam coins or meme coins that could like 100x, look at altcoins, take any trading, crypto related questions. We can even talk about chicken or beef. I love both. I love meat. I couldn't live without chicken or beef. Couldn't be a vegetarian. I know there's the environment and all this stuff. I love food. I love meat, steak, chicken. I eat every day. Yeah. So right, let's get started. So we'll start off with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin broke this 40k resistance, which was slightly bullish. I didn't take any Bitcoin longs, and I was a bit busy this weekend. Gave that 4-hour pullback, and again, if you've been watching our YouTube videos, you guys should know what we look for, the pullback setup. It gave a really nice pullback setup, breakout, 4-hour pullback, right into our 50% 618 zone, 4-hour pullback, nice rally. If you took that trade, you're out, boom, all good. It's giving it another setup now. I think, is it here I posted? It's not a bad setup. I shared it at the start of the live stream. This low should hold. If this low breaks, then it's really bearish, and I think we could go a lot lower. I'm okay with the spike, but if we start trend changing this week, so key thing this week is if we start breaking below here and can't hold above here, I think this could be a really bearish week, and there's a potential we get a big breakout. I'll go into that long term. Bitcoin long or short now? I'm leaning bullish. I think it's a long now. So gun to my head, if I had to long or short, I'd say it's long towards here, and it's just a gap close play. I mean, if you guys have been watching my channel, there's a gap close strategy. I would lean bullish for gap close. That's what I'd lean towards. I think this could rally up into this, so 42k next, and then we can review what happens. So short term, guys, I think I'm leaning bullish. I'm not long this now. I think this heads towards there, but I'm not too sure if it does. But the key setup would be if we come here and we break down, that is a short setup I will take. And if you guys remember last week, we took an Ethereum short. It had a breakdown, but then really big move up, and then we exited. That was a long setup. I shared that long setup earlier in the week. Let me quickly share that with you. This was our Ethereum long setup. I posted it in the group. Scalp long, exited my short, scalp long again, pullback 50% 618. And these were the updates of holding above. This is when I exited the trade, some late night trading. So I still like the Ethereum long. For me, next week, if Bitcoin stays above 40k, I'd look to long Ethereum. For some reason, Ethereum seems to be moving the way I like it to move. So Ethereum above 3k would be bullish. I'll write this down. Let me write this down. So guys, if there's any altcoins, I'll have a look at Luna and KNC for Osama. Have you got any altcoins you want me to look at? Comment below now, I'll review them. Comment below your favorite altcoins. What is your favorite altcoin? Comment below, I'll review them. So I'll do Bitcoin, then look at Luna. It's already been requested. KNC. Let me just type this. Future of Luna. Yeah, I'll spend some time talking about Luna. Have you bought Luna recently, Veronica? When did you buy Luna? Apecoin, man, I don't like it. Short time frame, long, but I don't like it. Let me finish off Bitcoin, then we'll look at all your requests. A gap close, yeah, I can explain that. So it's a CME gap close. Come on. Juno, yeah, Juno's got some FUD, but yeah, look at Juno. Hi, Lucas. So are we clear on Bitcoin? So it's really important to see what's happening with Bitcoin. So short term, yes, it's a scalp long towards 42k, 4230k. Yeah, look at Matic. That's the long. If we do this next week, then I'm bearish and potentially short it. At the moment, I'm just waiting from previous trades. I like the ETH long, and I still like this one. Main trade I'm looking at next week, if I am going to look to long it, is Ethereum above 3k. So if Ethereum gets back above 3k, I think that's a long, targeting 3,300. Same as this trade, you know, don't just buy and hold forever. I posted when I exited that short long, exited most to hold 25%. If it does this, then I'll exit. So that is the main long and bull and bearish setups next week. And the reason why I know it's so important, because something big's going to happen in Bitcoin. And I know everyone talks about it, but I do think in the next week, next 2 weeks, definitely we're going to see a big move in crypto. And if you look at the weekly chart, and I'll explain the reasons. Buy Luna, long, hold. Yeah, Luna's always a long. I'll talk about Luna. So there's a Luna trade. I actually shared it on Twitter and YouTube. You can check on the community section. So this setup, I don't think many people share live trades. This was a live trade. You can check the time when I posted it. We longed it on Bybit. It was a nice move up. Hit our target. Actually on Binance. I posted the wrong link. Anyways, but yeah, that was my long in Luna. Really nice move up. And I still like that. I'll talk about Luna, Rune. Those are two coins I like. Message retracted. It's a bit unsure. So let's talk about Bitcoin high time frame, guys. I'll stay live. Like I said, I'll look through all your coins. I get my entry. So did you buy that trade then, Osama? What was my entry? You bought it at 55, right? Okay, that was way before. I'll talk about Luna. I know people. I'll talk about Luna long term as well. Someone asked about Luna long term. So high time frame, what's happening? So there's Elliott wave count as well, which I can share, and that was my count. If you guys remember earlier, Yeah, exactly. I tend to agree with Lucas. So this is like my Elliott wave count. So first wave, this is the third wave, and then I expect another move up. I was seeing this as potential ABC correction, fourth wave corrective pattern, and then we get a rally. So that is the dream scenario. I started talking about this scenario back here when we had that crazy dip, and I was actually bullish, bearish. I was looking for a short. Once we broke back above daily MA, bullish again, rally. So that is a scenario I'm looking at, potential consolidation here. So I don't know if it's gonna do something like this and then break up, or is it gonna break out now? I don't think it breaks out straight away. More likely we see some chop and then break out, but that is what I would like to see happen in Bitcoin. But why do I think there's gonna be a big move? Bitcoin has done this chops, like, 9 or 10 bar chops, so 9 or 10 weeks, so 2-3 weeks chop and then break out. We saw the top here, chop like that, break down, chop like this, break up here, chop like this. I was short Bitcoin here. I got stopped out and we longed there. If Bitcoin breaks 40k, I will look to short here again. First target, and then if it jumps back above, long it. Play both directions. Don't get married to a bias. Make sure you have trade plans, and I'm sharing them. Write them down, draw them. You bought it at 2021. Wow, that's amazing, Veronica. So I longed Luna here at $5. That I've shared that trade a few times. You've been holding, so she's a hodler. And I'll say this tip, lots of people, a lot of people, even in our Rocko trading group, people that make money, like crazy money, is they've got in a really good project, traded it up and held. There is like 4 or 5 people in the group that's like master traders, and they make, take scalp trades, leverage scalp trades on, like, I can share this chart, I hope you don't mind, like on the 30-second chart, you do these scalps, and you need to be it will take a couple of years for you to get to that. The people that like make money, they usually do it like buying a really good project early. So back in 2020, it was Cardano, we had Theta, Uni, Chainlink back in 2019. If you type in Chainlink, Luna last year, there's always a couple of those coins, and I've seen like normal people that make money is through getting in a good project, like Veronica has done. I think she can hopefully look for retirement if she has got a decent sized position, or if you've been, I don't know if you've done any DeFi, Veronica, you can go on your holiday, whatever your dream plan is, and you can look to trade them. But that is a good plan. But you can maybe do DeFi. There's a couple of DeFi videos on Luna, and I've seen lots of people make money that way. But trading wise, it's, even in my group, bull market, yes, and people can make money, but it takes a lot of skill. So I do expect a big move in Bitcoin this week or next week, and that these are some of the reasonings why I think we're going to see it. Even here as well, we can see 10 bars then break out, 10 bars then break down. So this 10 this 2-3 month consolidations is very aggressively, we've seen that, and that is why I think there's going to be a breakout. Is chopping all the indicators are going to chop, and there's going to be a big, usually it's like a spring, it just gets tighten, then we get a big move, and let's try and be on the right side of the move. If we come here, I'm going to look to buy 28-30k. If we break this, I'll take a big loser, because I'm going to bet this again like I did, and I think we go a lot lower. I don't want to share FUD, but if we break 30k, that will be bearish. In my opinion, I don't see 30k breaking. I think 30k will hold at least for a few weeks. Maybe later in the year, we'll review this. If we keep making lower highs, like we did back in 2018, then yes, we'll break down. But at the moment, I think 30 holds. We have another rally, and then we'll review. So that's the update for Bitcoin. So big move come in. Please, try and, don't take crazy leverage position without any trade plans. Have trade plans, have stop losses in play, and we'll look to trade it. Short term, I'm leaning bullish on this 4-hour pullback. A CME gap. Hopefully, we get a rally into this. And then I'll review this trade setup before the end of the live stream, see where we get up to. So that's all good. Let's start talking about altcoins, and why. So let's start with Luna. Luna's been the more popular one, so let's start with Luna. We'll look at all the other coins after. So KNC, Osama, yeah, we'll review all your coins. How long have we been talking for? 20 minutes. Like I said, I'll be on this live stream for at least an hour. There's a Barcelona Real Madrid game. I don't know if there's any football fans. We'll be looking at that. So Luna has still got some big news, and recently AVAX got incorporated to Anchor Protocol, one of the leading DeFi. If you follow me on Twitter or watch my YouTube videos, you'll know why I'm such a big fan of Luna. They just got some big stuff going on, and you have to respect what Luna is doing in the crypto space. Luna is Ponzonomics. Yeah, it could be. So Luna, yes, could be Ponzonomics, but Ponzonomics pump. Luna could be Ponzonomics. There's no denying that. Luna has probably the best pumponomics, is it? Or Ponzonomics? What's that word? Pumpamental, that's the word, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It is pumpamental. So Luna's got the best pumpamentals. They've always got big news. You know, Anchor Protocol taking in money. There was some big news coming up. So the recent news is AVAX. AVAX got incorporated into Anchor Protocol. So, you know, there's more volume coming in, more money coming in, more people borrowing Luna, more money being earned by the Luna, more UST being printed, more Luna, you know, more Luna is being burned, less supply, and it's moving up. So you'll be watching Ari. Yeah, I'm a big, well, I used to be, I've been to Barcelona just to see Messi play. He's my favorite football player ever. He's not there anymore, but I'm enjoying what Xavi is doing with the new young team. So I'll be watching. What's the team? Well, this is, you know, it's just a casual live stream, guys. So I will go through all your questions as well. Let me just check the football team that Barcelona is playing. Lineup. Ousmane Dembele, Aubameyang, and Ferran Torres playing up front. Nice team. See, I'm looking forward to that game. Okay, so technical analysis wise, so this was where we started getting bullish, and I think Osama took that 57 trade, which was breakout here. I personally bought some Luna here. I'm from the UK, Lucas. But yeah, I don't know why, I just love Messi. I went to Barcelona to see him, and it was probably, you know, trading in crypto has given me huge freedom. I know all this stuff, and now war is a bit annoying. You know, I've been able to travel. I love Barcelona, the city as well. Been a few times now, and yeah, just watching Messi in Camp Nou was like the best. It was better experience than like when your trade hits target, like your leverage trade hits target is better than that feeling. It was one of the best feelings, and before, like, Messi is seen as like God in Barcelona. Yeah, Aubameyang's been great. They just think like Messi is God. Like the way they talk about him, when he touches the ball. I know it sounds like weird, but it's just different. Like the way he touches the ball, he moves it. It's ridiculous. People that play football or like football. Yeah. Anyway, so that was a Luna long. So it held support, and I've posted the reasons. I'm not going to review all of that. It will take time. The reason why I was bullish was it was really big high time frame support. $50. Yeah, I will do XRP. Are there any other XRP fans? XRP, anyone from the XRP army? Any XRP fans here? Just thumbs up or let me know. So that was a time. And another reason why, probably the even more important reason, is Luna BTC. So Luna BTC was at this support. Huge, you know, people don't realize this. Daily moving average breakout, holding weekly EMA. This was like my bull bear line. Previously, we came here and rallied. So I was pretty confident we're going to see a rally. I didn't see this much strength. I really didn't think we are going to break out like this. I thought it would come in 1800. You're an XRP fan? I'm not the biggest XRP fan, guys, but I'll do XRP. So that's a few reasons why I liked Luna, and now I really want Luna to hold above here. If Luna loses 2000, that will be bearish. I'm gonna leave an alert here as well. I'm still holding Luna, but if it breaks below, I love Luna. I'll sell any leverage position or any, you know, reduce my exposure to the Luna price. I'll still have exposure through the DeFi protocols. There's lots of amazing things you can do. I recommend you go watch this video. But I'll reduce my Luna exposure. So those are the reasons why I was bullish. Rallied up, broke up, hit my first target, hit my second target, and I actually took a scalp short. I'm not going to talk about that on Twitter. I posted this short setup in the Rocko trading group. I don't want to share it on Twitter. People will kill me if I tell them I shorted Luna, but I did take a scalp short when we came into here. And the plan, if you watch the previous live stream, was $100 sell, at least take half off profit. If it gets back above $100, buy again. You've got a really good invalidation. My strategy, and I'll share with you my strategy. It's not, you know, this something woo-woo, Elliott waves and all this. The thing that I try and teach is risk to reward. Try to have better risk to reward. As long as the risk to reward is good, you're happy, you know. If you think about this, you take a short here, the risk is $10 and then you lose. If you lose money, you get stopped at $10, buy more. That is a really good plan for Luna. Even now, I think if you've bought Luna below, if you've been watching my YouTube videos and you bought Luna before 60 or even below 70, take 50% off, buy more. If we break above XRP, yeah, I'll do XRP, don't worry. Yeah, if Luna breaks above $100, it's really bullish. I expect a rally in Luna. For now, that's just a trade setup I shared earlier. Let me just get rid of this. That's just a short time frame trade setup I shared, and the reasoning for that was, I mean, I've put it why. It's holding support really nicely. RSI divergence coming in, some nice volume coming, and I thought there's a good chance we pump back up. And also Bitcoin broke above 40k. Those were the reasoning for this trade, and I don't just take trades out of, you know, just because of the chart. I look at Bitcoin, I look at what the whole market was doing. At that time, SPX had a bounce as well. SPX is the stock market. Bitcoin is highly correlated to the stock market. I'll come back to this. Maybe I should have covered this at the start of the live stream. This is another really important thing. We were looking at SPX was pumping, Bitcoin was pumping, and usually the most bullish coin, when everything is pumping, you buy it. And Luna has been the most bullish coin in crypto. That's the reason why I shared that trade. If you have taken that trade, make sure, and I just made a bit of fun, bought some and pray. If you have taken that trade, I have taken the leverage position. I've taken the leverage position off. I'm still holding half of this. I'm holding anything that I bought below $60, and I'll continue holding that as long as, you know, we don't start trend changing below maybe $70, and I think we have another rally. What will make me buy more Luna? So if it comes to $70 and we trend change, same type of setup, I would look to buy. But I'm not that biggest lover of that level. We've already seen a big move. If it comes back to, you know, 70, I think there might be a bounce. I'm not sure we'll see a huge move. What I would like to see is if Bitcoin breaks out, so if Bitcoin starts pumping towards 45k, I touched on Ethereum above 3k. I actually wrote a comment, buy Ethereum above 3k. If we see those things happen next week and we're actually really bullish, then I would buy Luna. I would buy Luna above $100, and I think we're going to see that crazy rally towards 120, 150k. We're going to see something like this. Oops, move that back. No, I'll leave all these guys. You know, this trade one, there's trades that's going to lose money, and I try to be completely transparent. I want to share with you all my trades and see if it works. You know, most people won't share trades, and if you're following a YouTuber that's not sharing live trades, I'd say don't follow them, because, you know, anyone can say it's up now, this technical analysis. It's not just about technical analysis, it's about risk management. Technical analysis might make you money, but if you want to do it this long term, it's all about, you know, risk management. So above there, that will be my setup. We would look to buy. So that's the main coins that I'll talk about. A couple of coins I have on my list. Rune. So Rune was the other coin that we liked. Rune is like a critical level. You could potentially buy Rune now. Let me see what other coins you guys wanted me to look at. Ape coin. Yeah, I'll have a look at Ape. So Rune is at a huge level. This is like key resistance, and it's trying to break out. So I posted that buy setup here. I posted another buy setup. I want to see a bit of a chop now before XRP 589. I'm assuming you're joking, right? I'm assuming that you're joking about XRP. So what I would like to see in Rune, for me to buy more, so that I've shared two trade setup. This was on YouTube. This was on in the group. We took a trade last week on Rune. What I would like to see Rune is chop here, and then break out above $10. I want to see a bigger pullback, wipe out the late longs. Yeah, I can have a look at Dot. Dot has been very disappointing. I bought Dot, I think $5 breakout. Late 2020, I bought Dot. A big position in Dot, but since then it's just been chopping. Yeah, I'll look at all your coins. So this is a coin that I liked, shared a trade last week. I want to see this before I buy, and I don't think I'll buy now. Just the RSI's, just look at the RSI, it's just been swindling. I would like a bit of a pullback and then breakout. If it carries on, I still hold Rune. If you watch my video, watch the last week live stream. I'm gonna hold it unless we see, you know, break below maybe 7 or 6. I'll be worried, but for now it looks good. I have an alert here, 7.5. If it breaks below, don't hold here, then I'd be a bit worried. But for now, I like Rune, but it's not a buy setup. Risk reward wise isn't great. So if you think about, you know, again, this is the only thing that matters, risk reward. So if you think about risk, let me get rid of that. So if you think about that buy here, the risk is below there, let's say, and your potential pump opportunity is this. So risk reward is great, but now your stop loss in a way would have to be here. I know you won't have that 70% stop loss. I'm just trying to make a point. The risk reward isn't as great, and we are still at resistance. So that's a really important thing to look for. Yeah, I'll have a look at Monkey Ball. So that's a coin. Dash is not a coin that I trade a lot, but the chart is looking good for Dash. It's the same as, I mean, I could go through like 10 coins, and if these coins break out next week, it could be an amazing time. And you know, that famous line I use, like just buy some. It could be an amazing time to just buy some if we do have a breakout. And a lot of these coins are looking like this. Dash is holding $100. If we break out, I expect a rally, you know, double in price like this. Chop, a breakout, huge support. So Dash is something I like. Quantum I like. So these are coins, write them down. These are the ones that, you know, I do live streams 3 to 4 times a week during the week. I post the trade setups. These are the coins that I will be looking at next week in the Rocko trading group. So write these down if you're watching the YouTube live stream, and try to make money, because it could be an amazing time to make money. I love Quantum as well. Really like this structure. This looks like Luna before the breakout here. Then you can see the similarities. I'm not saying Qtum won't pump like Luna, because I know I'm just sharing my coins, guys, and then it's gonna be, I'll open the floor to you guys. How long have I been talking for? About half an hour. Yeah, I'll spend another 5-10 minutes talking about my coins lists for next week, and then I'll just spend time looking at your questions, requests, and all that good stuff. So let's do the. Yeah, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button. We've got over 20-30 people watching. If we get to 50 likes, I'll do another live stream next week on YouTube. So Quantum is on my list. I think this is a good coin for next week. I've already touched on Luna and Rune. I quite like Tezos. This has been very slow. If you guys, where's Tezos gone? There we go. So Tezos was a picture perfect trade last week. Not last week here, sorry. Last month. If you guys, again, take a screenshot. If you guys want to steal my trading strategy, take a screenshot of this. This is basically what I look for. This is like my trading strategy. So take a screenshot. We gave a similar setup here, and it's just been going sideways. I think this is ready to move now. This hourly pullback we're seeing, it's already moved, so it's not really a trade. But if you follow my trade strategy, this is a trade here now. 4 hourly pullback, looking nice. 1-to-1 target there. So I like Tezos, and I like CRV. CRV, if we get a big green candle now, it could be a trade now. I don't like Sunday night. I want to see the price action next week. It should not break below $2. It should hold this if I'm correct on this. So I'm going to be watching this in the hourly time frame. I think this could pump. So wait for a trend change here. I really like this coin for next week. I think that's enough coins. This coin I don't like, but chart looks good. ETC. I'm a massive Ethereum fan, but the chart looks amazing. just pull this across. See how this support resistance work? The zones that I draw, you just need to know about these zones. If you're new, just steal my zones and trade them. Above the zones, buy. Below zone, sell. And you'll probably out trade 90% of people if you just follow that. So I'm not looking to buy this now, but this could be a buy setup, bullish above. So if we break above there, look for any reasons to buy. I'll set an alert. I don't know if he's got any bullish news. I'll post in the group if I long it. So that would be my list of coins for this week, guys. There's one more. I've got a list of coins that I share. So I'll share this will be the last one that I share. So this section, you can write this down. And we took this last week in the group. Same trade plans. Buy here, stop loss below. 4-hour pullback, move up. This is as long as we hold above 150. And you can look to buy this. I'm just shared a signal from the group. Hold above there. I think this rallies into 190, 200. So that's all my coins done. Let's start looking at your coins. So XRP was one. Let's have a look at XRP. XRP. It's just trending nicely, isn't it? So the chart looks good in XRP. The chart looks good, you know, in XRP. I don't think I have. I'm just looking at XRP now, mate. The chart looks good in XRP. I hate to say this because I'm not a big fan of XRP, but the chart looks good. This could be a buy signal now. So high time frame, nothing actually happened. So you know, like big breakouts on the daily, weekly time frame. High time frame, this is just chopping. Short time frame, if you ask me, I think this wants to rally to 95, 93, 94 level. XRP does. That's what I think it wants to rally to. But for me, I have a simple plan in XRP. Above $1 I buy, below $1 I sell, and that has put me in really good step. And if you go watch XRP live streams or XRP videos from back in April, 7th of April, 10th of April, we had a big rally in XRP. Same here, I bought some on this pullback, 98 I think my entry was. Nice rally. I think I sold half here, another half there, got stopped out on my 25% of position. And I really like XRP from trading point of view. Above $1 is it? I really like it. Below, it's just chopping. It could chop for another few weeks, few months, and I don't want to get stuck in that position. I want to buy coins that are breaking out, that's got bullish hype, like Luna. I've touched on Rune, Quantum, CRV. Those are coins that I think's got hype, and I want to trade them. XRP doesn't seem to have hype at the moment. They need to. I made an XRP video. I'll make another post then you can select which coin you want me to review. So you guys picked XRP, so I reviewed XRP. I'll do another post like this, and you can comment below. Let me know which coin you want me to make a detailed video on, and I'll make a detailed video on the most popular one. But XRP, I think, unless the case is one on the SEC, which I think if you ask me, gun to my head, who wins, I think XRP is more likely to win. The case, they've got the best lawyers. The amount of money they're spending and the lawyers they've got is ridiculous. So gun to my head, I think XRP is going to win that lawsuit. And if XRP wins that lawsuit, you can talk about XRP to the moon. I'll even join the XRP army. XRP could go to like $3, $2-3, right, very, very quickly. If that happens, amazing. If not, I would rather be on the cautious side of things and look to buy XRP after. Otherwise, it's just trading up and down for a week. So that's my thoughts on XRP. Does that help? I think a lot of the XRP fans, so hopefully that makes sense. Other coins wise, EGLD. EGLD is on my list. Sergio, if I said your name right, Sergio. So I took a trade. Well, I didn't. I shared that trade. I share trades that I don't take as well. So I don't take all the trades I share. There's a lot of coins. This was our trade. If you follow our trade setup, this was earlier in the week. We shared that trade. Nice rally. I'm still long. As long as we don't break below 150, I'm bullish on this. And you could look to buy some now, even. As long as we hold above it, you're betting on this move. If Bitcoin breaks down, and there's so many coins, right? There's so many coins. I've given you like 10 examples. If one of them works, probably 80-90% of the coins will pump. So it's really important to just look at what's going on in the market. There's so many coins that look like this, ready for breakout. And if it's a real breakout, I think we're going to pump. If they start breaking down, you know, I could talk about it. Name me any coin, and they're very, I mean, let me look at VChain and Zilliqa. Those are two popular coins. Are they similar as well? Sergey, are you from the group, or you just like EGOD anyway? So a lot of these coins look very similar. They're like looking to break out. The real question is, are they going to break out now, or is it going to be a fake out? And no one knows. All we can do is take good trades, take breakout trades, and if it dumps, we get stopped out. We come back again for a better, stronger trade. Can you see so many coins that look like this? So are they going to break out here or reject from resistance? Come on. Are they going to reject from resistance and break down, or are they going to break out? That is $1 million question. So that's EGLD, Doge, Flocky, meme coin season. Who told you that it's meme coin season? It's not meme coin season. It's definitely not meme coin season. Yeah, these are just like dying. The only coin I bet on was Flocky, and I've lost money on it. I put my hand up that I've lost money on Flocky. So I did look like Doge here, but once it broke floor, I'm not interested unless we get back above this red zone. Potentially it dumps to, I think here, weekly 20 moving average. Just Elrond, okay. I like strong conviction plays as well. I'm more like spread my risk, but new people make crazy money by just going big on one or two coins. So yeah, comment below, guys, what other coins you want me to look at. Next half an hour, 20 minutes is up to you guys. Any questions you have, what food I'm eating, is Barcelona going to win, is Tottenham going to get in top four, whatever question you have, I'm happy to just stay back and talk. I've shared my analysis and which coins I'm trading. Flocky, I did lose money. I was pretty confident that Flocky was going to pump. Where's my Flocky chart? Is it Poloniex? Yeah, it is. So it was a bit, maybe I just jumped in Flocky too quick. So I bought Flocky. I actually bought Flocky there. Juno, yeah, I'll have a. Which exchange is Juno on, Lucas? Comment below which exchange. I'll look at Juno after Flocky and the meme coins. So if you guys remember, we made the Flocky video, huge rally. We traded Flocky. I bought more Flocky here. Then once it broke down again, once it breaks support, yeah, I'm gonna look at Matic. So I'll do Flocky, Matic, and then I'll look at Juno. Let me know which exchange Juno is on. Broke support, short setup, and it's just been dumping. I tried buying Flocky again. Elephant, yeah, hello, look at Elephant. Are you, oh my god. You're Christian, aren't you? If you, apologies if you didn't want me to say the name. But yeah, yeah, Flocky, unless we do this, I'm out. I've lost twice now, so I'm going to wait for a bigger move. But Flocky was doing one of the biggest marketings ever, so I thought Flocky is going to rally like crazy, but unfortunately we haven't, so I'm just sort of waiting now. So that's Flocky. And what was the Shiba? I didn't make any money on Shiba, so I'm going to wait. Shiba, yeah, I think Shiba's as well. Just downtrends, all these coins. All these coins needs to see some type of structure like this and then pump. It's not meme coin season. So I said I'll look at Matic. Let me know which exchange Juno is on. I'll have a look at Juno, and I'll have a look at Elephant. So Matic as well. I'm not too sure on Matic. I want Matic above here before I like it. It's not a trade setup for me at the moment. Or I've got an alert here. I want to buy $1 Matic. Do you guys remember FTM? I forgot to review FTM. I shared a trade on FTM. Same plan, right? I do the same thing every time. $1, huge bounce. So I'm looking for something similar. And that's my trade, in and out quick. Being bullish is the best way to be. Bullish and bearish, be both. And yes, if I forget your coin, just comment below, comment again, guys, and I'll look at it. There's obviously a lot of people. Law of attraction. Yeah, I took a trading psychology course and they taught me like law of attraction. I'm not the biggest believer of law of attraction, but yeah, I do. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it. But yeah, I think there's value to it. Like if you believe you're gonna make it in trading, you will. But you also have to work hard. So law of attraction plus hard work will make you money. So that's FTM. So Matic, that's my plan. Not a buy at the moment for me in Matic. Let's have a look at Elephant. Yeah, I'll have a look at KNC as well. Oh my god. What a coin. Extra XXX. I think you asked me about this and I didn't like it. Jesus Christ. How much has it pumped? Jesus Christ. I don't have any trade plans for this. Only trade plan when I reviewed it before. If it is the right coin. Is it the right coin I'm looking at? XX. This is where you make crazy money. Jesus Christ. Absolute legend. So if this sees a pullback, right? I'll share a plan with this. If this sees a pullback, and you only need one or two of these coins to make money. What we'll do is at the end of the live stream, I'll have a look at Elephant. Well, I think you're part of the group. I'll have a look at Elephant in the group with you. Next live stream in the group's on Tuesday, so I'll have a look deep dive into the project. I don't think that's the right one, is it? That's the wrong one, obviously. Elephant. Yeah, you called it, man. I didn't buy it. Could have doubled my money on this. These are like crazy DeFi tokens that could double or nothing. Amazing, man. Yeah, we'll do a deep dive on this, mate. I'll message you on Tuesday. I'll look into this project in detail. There's another project, Apollo. Is it Apollo? A few people in the group are along. We'll have a look at that as well. But yeah. You asked like philosophical questions, Veronica. What makes me happy? Money. Money and traveling. Let's look at some of the comments. This is the right one, yeah? I'll look into it in a bit more detail with you. Any other coins, guys? Comment below. So I've looked at Elephant. Chart-wise, there's not much to analyze on Elephant. It's just up only. You need like a big sell-off. So how much was this sell-off in this? I'm being completely honest. 50% sell-off here. I'd need at least this level. At least some support here. If not, just wait. I don't know. Which exchange did you buy extracts? Which exchange can I buy Elephant? I'll look into it myself. Oh, Osama, I've missed your coin, haven't I? Let's have a look at KNC for you before you go. Have you already left? Yeah, traveling's the dream, man. KNC is looking good. KNC is a beauty. We looked at KNC, Bitcoin at the start of the live stream. I'll review Bitcoin again before I end the live stream. Bitcoin, yeah, is a potential buy now, yeah. Short time frame buy. I like Ethereum long above 3K next week. So, Osama, my trade setup on this, again, beautiful trade setup. I haven't taken this, so I'm not trying to claim credit. Breakout, pull back to my zone, nice rally. I wouldn't buy it now because it's near a resistance. So I want to buy support, sell resistance, or buy breakouts. Bigger pullback on this, I would prefer to buy it. But I think it's just moved a lot. Is this Kyber Network, KNC? I think it is. Kyber Network is getting a lot of... Yeah, it is Kyber Network. It's getting a lot of hype, volume around it. I used to play a game on Polygon Network and I used to use Kyber Network. It's pretty good. I like it. So I think this is why it's pumping. But it's not a buy for me now. If I see a pullback, maybe buy after. But it's not a buy for me now, Osama. When did you buy it? Have you bought it already? Or you... I think Osama's gone. But I want to see something like this. I don't like BCH. I think that goes to 0. Maybe now I'm being obviously a bit crazy. Are you still here? So, yeah, when did you buy KNC, mate? That's a really nice trade setup. And guys, I know if you are interested in like trading, like interacting with us all the time, check out our group. You can trial us for less than $30 if you want to join the community. I do this live stream 3 to 4 times a week. But if not, Osama, just message me on Twitter or just on YouTube. That is a really nice trade. I would have taken it myself because fundamentally this lines up. I want to take trades. Oh, amazing. 1.5. So I'm assuming you bought this support. That's an amazing long. Really well done. So if you took that trade, I'd sell 50% now. And then buy back if it breaks back above. But book some profits in. So BCH I don't like. Let me have a look. BTC. Yeah. I'll explain to you why. I've done this a few times now. I call it like support floor break. Yeah, if it does, amazing, but sell. I mean, I'm sharing my thoughts, and I've been doing crypto since 2017. Forex and Forex trade, full-time trading since 2017, 2018, full-time trading, 2017, full-time, like pretty much all in crypto, and started trading around 2013, 2014. That's when I started trading. So from my experience, I would book profit on KNC and then we could look to buy it. And yeah, if I talk about floor breaks, this is a big part of my trading strategy. And something that I say is like, you probably make money. If you're in the crypto game long term, you'll make money. What you don't want to do is lose all your money. Because if you're in the game and if you're in the right coins, follow my strategy or breakout strategy, they work. But the biggest thing is not to lose all your money. And one of the things I teach is, protecting your wealth. And this chart it just defines my strategy. When something breaks floor, don't hold it. And this is broken floor. And then it's just been down only. And Could it be breaking floor again? I think it can, so I wouldn't hold it. If it breaks back above daily MA, trend changes above there, I'm wrong. I'm happy to buy back. I don't mind being wrong. What I don't want to do is lose a lot of money. That's the only thing. And, you know, some of the trades I share, if they break down, I take a loser. I'll wait to get back in after. And that is what I don't want to see. Bitcoin Cash breaks up above there. Amazing. I'll buy it. But for now, there's, you know, if you held Bitcoin instead of Bitcoin Cash, you would have, since, you know, this floor break, you're down 90%. So only if you held Bitcoin instead of Bitcoin Cash, you would have made 90% more money. So it's a really important thing, and that's one of the things I teach. And maybe I'll make a YouTube video about this, because I don't want to like withhold information. I do. That's one of the things that any newbie can learn from. So yeah. BCH. What other coins did you request? One. I loved one. There's a few videos on my channel. I posted a few trades on Harmony One, like another project that I like, scaling solution coin. So short term, yes, mate, it can pump. I'm just saying long term. When I see, has it got news, Danish? Has it got any news? Has it got any news? If it's got news, I'm proved to be corrected wrong. But let's look at the USD chart, shall I? Let me have a look. Not even looked at the USD chart. So short term, I get what you're saying. It is looking nice structure. I like the structure here, which has got more chart history. Coinbase should have the chart history, yeah. So short term, for me to long this. But yeah, if it has got news, let me know. I'll buy. I don't care. I'll buy anything. So you bought it at 250. So you could, so if this happens, I'll buy. This would be my trade setup. So flip that daily MA. 250 is not a bad buy. I mean, that is an amazing buy. Oh, did you buy it here and hold it? Okay, then it's bad. I would, if you bought it here, I would have sold at least. That's why I talk about take profit level. That's, I mean, risk management, take profit. Those are things even before I look at charts. Trading strategy wise on my course, those are the first things I teach. Risk management, taking profit, just having a bullish and bearish bias, and then talk about trading. Those will be the first things that you need to look at even before anything. Yeah, no problem. Hope this helps. If I see this setup, what do you mean? There's not too much bars on. Yeah, there isn't. So if I see this, so key zone I would like is this. That is 360, 375. If it breaks this, then I'll be interested. If not, stay out of it. No, it's not that. I mean, I don't want to sound bad. I mean, XRP, I made money on XRP. That pump above, that was a beautiful pump. If you guys followed me as well, I posted the buy setup. It was an amazing trade. My main trade was from here to there. I didn't make money on that spike. I didn't get to sell it in that spike. I wanted to sell, but I wasn't at my desk to take profit there. Okay, any other coins? So did I look at one? $258. I'm a bit unsure of what that means. So one is looking weak. Need to do some trend change, then I'll be interested. Let me move an alert. One can pump like crazy. I post about one if I get in. I like it. MBS, yeah, you've asked it a few times, so apologies. Just ask me again if I've missed something. I'll stay live for another probably 10 minutes and then I'll shoot off. Yeah, I do not like this. So I talk about floor breaks. Look at that floor break. So at the moment, this has got a floor at, say here, I'd say this is the floor for this. So needs to hold above them. In short term, you might get these spikes, but yeah. And we've traded MBS. This has got huge inflation. So there's a lot of people dumping MBS. So I'm not the biggest fan of this, unfortunately. For people that are still watching any coins, I'll hang around for another 10 minutes and then I'll shoot off. MTV, someone asked. Some KuCoin. Yeah, I like the coins that they're at support. And this is not a bad buy, you know. I will review this next week. It's like a one-to-one trade. We'll review this next week, see if this works. Just buying support. H-bar, yeah, I like H-bar. What was the other coin? Was it Ape? Someone was asking. Ape had like crazy viral news. So Ape, we're looking at this. It had a nice pump, and now it's just dipping. $10 break could be a trade here, but I like this trade. You know, when it pumped above, I posted about it. When it broke above here, the Rocko trading group, and then after that, I'm just been waiting. It's not really my coin to jump in. Yeah, I'll have a look at H-bar. I'll take 3 more coin requests, so comment now if you want any coins looking at. So if it flips this, I'll be interested. Flip $11, or I think it comes back to potential cycle lows again, unfortunately, guys. Yeah, not the biggest fan of it. Okay, let's have a look at H-bar. Yeah, it's not doing anything. And people that have been in the group, watch the live stream from the start, have you guys noticed what I talk about, like big breakouts? And it's best to wait. I'm not saying Luna will do this, but Luna at $100, if it can't break above 100, this is gonna like share. So I'm not sharing FUD. I literally posted a long setup earlier. If it fails here, we could get a bigger pullback. So that's why it's really good. Like another strategy is to buy above resistance and not at resistance. So I wanted to buy it here. We didn't get it. We broke down. And yeah, this is coming at cycle low, so this might be interesting. I'll have an alert here. I'll post about it. For now, I'm not buying. I don't want to buy something that looks like this. Show me some strength, then I'll buy it. I mean, some simple strategy, you know, you can check out our group if you're interested, but a simple tip I can give you: buy things that look like this, sell things that look like that, and then you can use my strategy like moving average, trend change, Fibonacci to catch these, or you can use whatever other strategy you have, you know, trend lines, volume, RSI indicator. But that is what we like. Hi Marjorie, how's it going? I know it worked really well for you. You've been, I think, one of the longest members in the group since 2018. I think you've been with us, so really well done. Marjorie made crazy money and made me money on this DAG. So we bought DAG back here, and it just mooned like 10x, and you only need one or two of these coins. It's not really done much though, Marjorie. I don't know if you still like DAG or you long DAG. I've got an alert here for you, so I'll let you know. I'll message you in the group if it does break out, Marjorie. But for now, I think it goes lower. I really want this to hold 10 cent and then break out. Yeah, you're living the crypto dream. Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic are two countries I really want to visit this year. There's so many, like, I've not been South America. I want to visit. There's so many places I want to go. That's like my biggest dream, just like travel. Okay, you're still long some, okay. For me, again, floor break strategy. If it does, I'm not long now. I exited, is it break here? I think I got out here. And I hold it all the way up to there, and then I did take profit as it goes up. I got out here. For me, if it breaks this, even people that are watching the live stream now, buy it. RVL. I'll review one more coin, so comment now, guys, if you want me to look at your coins. Which exchange is RVL on? Is this like a meme token? Oh, Revoluto. Jesus. Who asked about... Who asked about Revoluto? I've never heard of it. I think it does like... Is it a wallet token? Wow. Yeah, crypto and, trading has allowed me to travel, so amazing. Jesus Christ. You've just doubled your money in the last hour. These are meme tokens, and I do share some of these, but not as many. So well done. Yeah, Gala, I'll have a look at Gala. So I'll do one more coin, so comment below, guys, if there's any other coins you want me to look at before we round up today. Smash the like button, guys. I said 50 likes and I'll do another live stream, so maybe next week I'll have a break from YouTube. And then the week after I'll do another YouTube live stream around similar time. So if you do enjoy this content, guys, hit that like button. Today wasn't as popular as the last one we did, but I still enjoyed it. It's been fun. Gala's not looking bad. I like Gala. I think this can have a little rally. Yeah, Gala's not bad. Who asked for Gala? Are you still here? It's again short term because I like this bounce because it broke floor, which is bad, but we've seen accumulation. So I'm like neutral on this, but then you could talk about this is a breakout. So I'm kind of neutral on this, but I think trading wise, maybe this has a little rally. Yeah, this is not bad. Okay, so I'll start rounding up. Oh, VeChain, yeah, let's have a look at VeChain. So VeChain is this. Yeah, you like Gala. VeChain is this. Unless I see this, I don't like it. I'm waiting for this. I'll do maybe a VeChain YouTube video next week. They have got some news. So I'll do this as a final coin, unless there's any What have I missed? You've missed an hour live stream. I'll finish off. I'll round up Bitcoin. I don't think there's any other altcoin request, so I'll do DOT. The Barcelona Real Madrid game started as well. I want to go watch that. So DOT, my plan was to buy here, scam wicks. We came here once, huge pump. This is like the Bitcoin 30k. If it comes in here, I think there's going to be a big pump. It's $10 support as well. So this is what I'm looking at buying if it comes here. If not, I'll probably just wait. It's not a trade setup for me now. It's like in the middle of nowhere for me. I don't really like it. I like the Gala. Whoever's requested Gala. Majori likes Gala as well, so it's a good coin. So let's do Bitcoin and then we'll finish off. So Bitcoin, at the start of the live stream, I said short term it's a potential long in Bitcoin. So yeah, yes, if you have enjoyed it, guys, hit that like button, and we're making some money whilst the live stream. This is the start of the live stream. I said, you know, Bitcoin scalp long if we bounce from here. We're rallying slightly in Bitcoin. Again, just short-term trade, not getting married to it. It's just a one-to-one trade. It's going okay. I still like it. If it starts breaking below, don't take a full loss. So put your stop, still have your stop there. But if we start breaking below, let's say 4,800, 4,100, I'll be a bit scared, but it looks okay. I like it. Can DOT hit? Oh, what is going on? Apologies for that. Not sure what happened there. So does Bitcoin have just pump now? I think, can DOT go to it? It will depend on Bitcoin. Bitcoin will have to break out into new all-time highs, my friend, for that to happen. If Bitcoin breaks out into new all-time highs, I can see it happening, yes. If not, I think, yeah, I don't think we're going to break out. It's really important to see what Bitcoin does. Okay, so short time frame, I think there's a gap close play. So that's the trade idea that I shared at the live stream. Potential CME gap close spike, and then we'll wait and see what happens next. For me, does Bitcoin head to 30k next? If you've gone to my head at the moment, I think yes, Bitcoin. Majority, I'll do Ethereum for you before I go. Ethereum, I'm looking for a long, and I'll post it in our Telegram group as well, majority for you. But Bitcoin, I think as long as we don't do this, we have a rally towards 45, 46k next. I don't have a huge conviction trade. I shared a quick scalp trade now towards, pump towards 42k short time frame. If Bitcoin does this, breaks below 40k, I do think we're going to see 30k, at least low 30ks first, and then it will depend on can we hold support. So that is my bias on Bitcoin. Really important we hold above 40k. If we start trend changing below 40k, I will be worried. The long trade I am looking to take in crypto is Ethereum. Ethereum has looked better against Bitcoin. If Ethereum can break out above 3k, I'm going to look to long Ethereum. And it could be a short-term trade and I have to buy back after. But I think if Bitcoin stays above 40k, Ethereum above 30k, that will be a long setup for me. So I'll have an alert set here as well. Let me move this alert up. Because next week, a clean break above 3k, I'm going to look to long pullbacks targeting 33 and 3500. And that will be a nice trade setup for us next week. If we break below this support that I've got here, 2700, I'll be bearish. But this is what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, guys, hit that like button. I might do another one next Sunday as well. But on YouTube, I try and do one a month. And if you are interested in like more live streams, I'll leave the links below. I live stream 3 to 4 times a week. You get access to my strategy, the Telegram group where myself and others are posting their trade setups, and you get access to 3 to 4 live streams, trade setups, which is I'm looking at, risk management, and all that good stuff. So I'll leave the links below if you're interested, guys. If not, guys, all I ask from you guys, hit that like button if you have enjoyed it. And I said 50 likes, we'll do another live stream next Sunday, but probably won't get that. I'll see how I'm feeling. If there's lots of changes in the market, I will do a live stream. But anyways, all I request from you, if you have enjoyed it, guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and hopefully I've helped some of you guys maybe not make money, but most importantly, hopefully I've helped you guys not to lose money. And next bull market, using these strategies, hopefully you can all achieve your financial